On ammo too.
Hey, Tony, I got a leaking.
It's leaking?
Tony, I got a speed button anymore, but there's dirt in it.
Who cares?
Tony, I have a speed button.
Okay. Well, mine only just running 2/8. Otherwise they'll fly all over the place.
Mine needs a .25.
Yeah, it still won't. Oh great, my fucking Evo's all messed up with mud.
Let's go fuck shit up. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go.
This way, this way, this way, Paul. Let's get up to Drake. Come on, with me. Oh, thank you. Was it over by Green? That was the one? Paul, to me. Let's go in the building. Will's right over there. We can't use this lane. We gotta go out. Yep, they're building.
I'll find you guys tonight.
We gotta cross the road.
They're building up on the road.
They're building right on the green building right now. All right, you ready to run?
Yep.
We're crossing the road. Let's go. Hit. Fuck. Copy. Is that babies?
Okay. I'm sick of going over that.
You ready? Really? Now he moves the fucking truck? God damn it. Cross, hurry. Get over here. Yeah. I got one mag left. This way. Nice run, dude. Sorry. My bad. Cross.
Shoot.
No, you're not going to be able to make it. We're going to have to go in through the mine shaft. Come with me.
I wonder if Drake has his car closed in.
Not with him. Come with me. I'll get you to a spot.
How long does it take for it to drop?
To what? To what?
For it to drop.
It drops pretty quick. It shoots pretty fast.
See if the most likely aim.
Yeah. Come on. You lost your mag?
Yeah, for the block.
Shit, that's not good. Alright, come here. You see the green building? Come.
No, man. Well, I will. Yes, I do.
Okay, you're gonna shoot it right through that open door. Ready?
Oh shit, that's enough fucking fly good.
Hit. Fuck, that was my camera. I hope that didn't chip the lens. I don't think it did. Look for that mag while you walk.
Nah, I think that's pretty far back.
Okay. Like, do you think maybe you lost it when you were running across the street?
You dropped your black mag, I have it.
Huh? Huh?
I said, I think maybe.
Yeah, you're right to go this way. Yeah, this is the door right here. Oh, but it's locked. Fuck. Yeah, let's go out the other way.
Open.
Yeah, but then you'll break the lock. Yeah, my best guess is you probably lost it running across the road.
I mean, it falls out pretty easily, so I can just be out on maybe.
Well, we're going that way anyway, so you can check there. Oh shit, I'm too old for that bullshit. Oh, it sucks. I have like one working gun right now. And this is it.
Like 0 mags.
That's game. Game over, game over. Mags out, socks on.
He only had one make it through, and it was like fucking 3 feet to my right. That kid you traded with was the same way. He was shooting at me. I was just like standing there like.
All right, I'll grab the rocket launcher. Let's go get that rocket you fired and look for your mag. And then whatever gun you brought out, bring back.
Yeah, I was fairly annoyed. I only brought 2 mags out. It was like, I totally forgot my other one.
Nice. Yay, good. At least we got it. You got 1 rocket? Or 2?
I'm pretty
Somebody's caught micing. I don't know who it is. Huh?
How much do these HKs cost?